In a calculated column you can do is use if switch and function to create the column, right? So this is one sheet that I've created. I will just go on this table view, right? And here I have to create four columns, right? The average attendance, and then I have to create the small smash hit, the modest success, right? These columns. So what I will do, first of all, the average attendance. As you know that how this average attendance is measured, it's like divide the tour attendance by the shows, right? Attendance by the shows. So this is how we get our average attendance. And now duration, right? So in this, what we are going to do, if the tour start is equal to tour end, then it's a single year duration, and if it's more than 1 year, then it's a multi-year duration. So what we will do, we will just add this condition where if start year equal to end year, right? So to end, if start year, let's say start year is 2026 and the end year is also 2026, then we can say that it's a single year, right? Else, if it is 2 years or 3 years or 4 years, just give me multi years, right? Right, so we got our values in duration also. Now the crowd size, right? So how can we go through the crowd size, right? If we can say that if the crowds are less than, right, the average attendance is less than 25,000, then it's small, and if it's less than 50,000, it's medium, and otherwise it's large, right? So what we can do, we can use switch function here. So when we are using switch, always use true with this. All right, and now first I will define the first value. If there is any blank, right, then we can mark it as unknown so that our data is much more clear. So if I use is blank and average attendance that we have created a measure, if average attendance is blank, then it should give us unknown, right? Now the value 2 is if average attendance is less than 25,000, then it should give us small. And if average attendance is less than 50,000, then it should give us medium. Else it should give us large. If I click enter, then you can see that medium, like here it's less than 25,000, right? And yeah, if you see here it's more than 50,000, right? So that's why it's giving us large. Now we wanted to get the success, right? If the gross attendance, like the attendance and the actual gross, right? So if the earning and if the attendance is greater than, let's say, 2 million or something, then we can say that, oh, we have made some money, this is a massive hit, right? And if not, then we can say that modest success. So for this success, what I will do, I will use the switch function again, switch true, where I will go with actual gross. Actual gross is equal to and greater than, let's say, this much, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? And attendance, tour attendance is greater than, let's say, 2 million, right? Right, then we can say that it's a smash hit, right? And if the actual gross is greater than equal to this much also, like we can say that 20 million or 2 billion, right? Or attendance is equal to greater than this much, 20 million or 2 million, then we can say that it's a modest success, right? Else, whatever is there, it should give us failure. If I click enter, now we got the data. And if we put into this beautiful sheet, then now we have the crowd size as medium, small, unknown. If we click on here, so this is how we use multiple switch and if conditions to get a desired output that we want.